Welcome to CrashCam's YouTube channel. I'm your host, Professor Patrick DiPaolo, PhD. CrashCam is an online resource for chemistry, biochemistry, and a lot more. So let's go into detail of what this is. It is the best online resource for right now any intro chemistry class, and we're constantly adding more content in biology, biochemistry, molecular pharmacology, and a lot more. Who am I? I am a PhD in chemical biology by trade. I'm an entrepreneur. I started this startup company called Custom Lux PCs Inc., which is a custom gaming computer and cryptocurrency mining rig company, which specializes in giving you the best bang for your buck for your gaming PC, mining rig, and in other investments, and also specializing in desktop related repair services. Also, I'm a professor at several universities: New Jersey Institute of Technology, Stevens Institute of Technology, Brooklyn College, Borough of Manhattan Community College, and Newly Keene University in Union, New Jersey. And also, I'm a scientist. My PhD work and my other different projects relate to cancer biology, doing different applications of cancer drug discovery within the small molecule realm. So right now, what courses are available through this Crash Chem resource? We have general chemistry of all levels. So it doesn't matter what school you're going to, whether you're in high school taking AP chemistry, or college, community college, specialized university, or Harvard or Princeton, you will learn from this resource. Also, right now, molecular pharmacology is being put onto the channel through Keene University. Why use CrashCam? We can learn, practice, study, watch content with your friends, discuss material, etc. Practice examples. You can study from it, from watching the lectures, and there's limitless opportunities to learn. Student testimonial. We have a ton of testimonial over the last 2 years where CrashCam has been incorporated into the classroom. So here we go. From comments from last semester, my professor's YouTube channel. The question is here, what is the best part of the course? The YouTube channel, the YouTube channel. And there's a couple more. The YouTube channel, and yeah, there's a YouTube channel over lectures. Boom. So it is proven to be an effective technique in teaching. All students that have used this YouTube channel for my class have seen a success, and their grade has gone up to higher than they thought could be possible. So what's next? So we have a website coming soon with interactive quizzes, assignments, questions. We even have leaderboards and subscription services that are in the making. And this is going to be incorporated to several universities, but don't worry about paying anything. We are going to try to make it free to the student, but that is a while to come. So for now, subscribe, enjoy the channel, enjoy the content, and good luck this semester.